Good news, everyone! I'm at Morgan Hill State Park. This park actually has about 5,000 acres of land and is located near Cortland, New York. There are two areas for dispersed camping. One area is Spruce Pond, which I believe is only tent camping, and you are required to get a permit from the local office. And then this area that I'm camped at is in, which I believe is the old Force Tower Road. And there are two camping spots here. Each spot actually has a fire ring and a picnic table, which is on a pad. The sites are deemed handicap accessible. The road up here is pretty decent. Slow going, but passable. It's got places for solar. There are trails. There's about 11 miles of trails in the forest. One of the main trails is part of the Finger Lakes systems. Duke and I have hiked it, and we went over to Tinker Falls. You watched Duke's video for that. And the trail is actually right next to the campsite. Other than that, I also took some drone footage. I'm pretty much at the summit of Morgan Hill, so it was some nice footage. So let's watch the footage. Again, some amazing footage. I stayed here about 5 days. I've enjoyed my time here. It was really quiet. Had the occasional aircraft pass over because I believe we're in the flight path for Syracuse International. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure you comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.